have no idea how to play it. So guys, today, if you hear that music, that's just me playing really high. You can't see my head. That's my head. If you can see that blue, you see at the back, it got some slimes. Lots of them. I am going to show you the slimes. And trust me, one hasn't. We actually mixed some slimes that became such an ugly colour. At first, I'm doing a video. Our first slime is this. It's slime. So if you can't see my face, let me fix this up. Yeah, that'll be better. This is the first slime. And guys, don't forget, if you haven't visited my channels, don't forget to fix them. And guys, comment down below what you think is the best slime at the end. Slime number 1. I'll tell you, the ugly color has the best technique because it's the biggest. That was our pink slime. We've got another one, but except it's peach. Peach. It's peach. It's not very good one, but my favorite. It's not a very good feeling one. Number 2. These are all my slimes. Well, I'm not using any of my slimes. I'm not using. This one's not a really color that I would like, but this is the one. It's pretty good. By the way, this one's safe for last. And now for a close up for number. Wait, we want to get number 3. Oh, my hands are glittery. See here? Glittery. Number 3. Glitter. So isn't I think glitter means everything to some people? This is well down. This is my favorite one. Oh no. It looks super good. It's slime. The big one is the ugly color. Just saying. And there's another one that I'm not going to use, but I'll show you guys. Look at the color. It's super pretty. Guys, I'm going to do close-ups now for you guys. And because you're my biggest thing. Oh guys, this is the one that my grandparents brought from England. Well, from the airport. It's black. I got black, yellow. I only mixed one of my slimes for the mixed one, and it was such an ugly. We kept adding slimes, and it turned out it turned out okay. We added some black, hoping that because black is a strong color. We were hoping that it would just make the whole thing black to make it a better color, but I didn't. But then next day, it's a completely different color. Well, not completely. It's not pink, but it's still that color. This next one, number 5. By the way, my hands are all black. Look, guys, black. Well, my enemy were gonna play a game on Roblox, but I decided that my nan does not like. She does not know how to play Roblox. She's never played Roblox. As soon as I decided to do some slime, because you know everybody does that. This is my first video out my butt, I think. If it's not, just comment down below. Oh yes, this was one of my other ones I really like. It looks pink. It looks pink from here. That looks pink. And guys, if you do have any slides, you should give it a stretch. Not like that. The next one would be better. Yeah, that's the one we're not doing. This is one of my favorite snacks. It's pepper. I'm sure one of my friends will like this because everybody likes pepper for some reason. But I like aqua. Guys, this is the close up. You can. The other day, Jamie and me tried to make a bubble, but it did not work. And guys, for the final one that you've all been waiting for. By the way, it had to go in a big pot. It looks too big. Oh, it's grey. It's turned out grey. Last night it was grey, and this morning it was grey. But we found that it turned out brown. We mixed about 2 pinks, 2 greens, no, about 3 pinks. They're all different shades. They're dark and light. We mixed some green, 2 types of different green, 2 types of different yellows. And it feels so good. So that's why it's the best one. We tried to make a bubble. We weren't very successful. But like the sort of, but we did a really good job. We didn't make a single bubble. Well, the deck had, we used it there, but it had holes in there, I guess. But this slime, it's, look, I got a head. Look, headphones. I got headphones. It's dripping onto the floor. Look. And that is the last slime. So guys, comment down below what slime you like the best. Honestly, my favorite, by the way, just comment down below what was your favorite colour. What one was your favorite colour? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Which one was your favorite? And also subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down below. Smash that like button. And we will see you next time. Well, I bet we will see you next time. Well, I have to say bye now. But we'll be back soon. Goodbye.